Not only does IT Pro TV film new content every single day, but you can watch as it's created, even as a free member. Let's take a look behind the scenes and see how it all comes together. Hi, I'm Don Pezet, co-founder and edutainer of IT Pro TV, home of binge-worthy learning for IT professionals. One question that I get a lot is, how do we keep our content up to date and fresh? You know, the IT world is constantly changing, and so when we started this company, we made it one of our values, a core value, to make sure that our content was current, relevant, and up to date. That's why we have 6 high-definition studios and we record content every day. We're constantly updating to include the latest exam objectives, new certifications, updated software releases, redesigned interfaces, and more, just to be sure that you're training on what's in the field today. So what does that look like? Well, let's take a walk around the production facility here and you'll see. Right behind me, we've got Mike and Cherokee filming Windows Server in Studio 2. And over here in Studio 1, looks like we've got Zach and Adam getting ready to film Cloud Security. Over in Studio 4, we've got Vaughn and Justin filming GitHub content, and looks like we're catching Ronnie and Joe about to start Agile Project Management in Studio 3. And this is our broadcast board. It's got a schedule of what's shooting today and which studios are in action. This is our central production area where the directors do their magic. When you become a free member, no credit card or obligation required, you can watch the daily live stream at no cost, and you can see the latest content being created live, and even watch the bloopers when they happen, even though they rarely do. So sign up today. It's a great way to check us out and see if IT Pro TV's content is right for you. Thanks for visiting, and I hope to see you on air soon.